We've got the GE 10,000 BTU window unit. We're going to put it in that dirty window right there. But I'm going to skip 10 minutes on every video. And we're going to get right to hooking the side panels on. You got one that's marked left and one that's marked right. And for obvious reasons, one goes in the left, one goes in the right. All right, so the strips are already here. She's going to pull out the accordion, slide it into the strip. It just feeds right in, real easy. And then the two end pieces go into their tracks. And it's installed. Now you do the one on the other side. And that took 1 minute, maybe 2. But every other video on the internet, it took 15 minutes to get to this spot. So really save your time. Follow my daughter. She's an expert window air conditioner installer.
Yeah, now I just need to get this. There it goes.
All right, so now it's ready to go in at 1 minute and 10 seconds after it came out of the box. Okay, we're going to show you a couple things. This groove right here goes in the window track. Okay? This groove right here falls back against the window when you close the window. And that's it. So here we go. Pause. Okay, this literally took 2 more minutes, guys. Well, this bottom groove down here, it's set into the groove of the window. And then the window comes down flush with the edge, and then you just let the air conditioner lay back against the window. Then you close the accordion, and you can, it's kind of a sloppy job, but we put our little styrofoam around to close up all the bug entrances and exits. And now we got freaking ice cold air coming out. It's awesome. It took about 4 minutes total, maybe 5. And we're enjoying it right now. I can't even move hardly. Okay, so this is a quick video to replace all the 15-minute videos of how to do a 4-minute AC install. And enjoy it, like it, share it. Hell, I'm going to put a link at the bottom where you can go buy this air conditioner. It's 10,000 BTUs. It's a little bit more money than the crap 5,000 BTU units you've been buying. But man, I got ice cold air with some force. You're going to love it. Thank you. Watch my video. Share my video. Goodbye. Have a good day.